everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a quick video about Indian bangles. So I got some new bangles to match my sari, and unfortunately the glitter on the bangles keep coming out and it gets everywhere, like my hand, my clothes, and even my face if I touch my face. So I came up with an idea to prevent that, and it actually worked for me. So I'm going to share it with you. Now this is a glitter bangle. You can see there's glitter all over it and it gets on my hands. Now I can't wash the glitter off because that's the beauty of the bangle. If I wash the glitter off, it's going to look dull. So what I did was I just took a clear nail polish and I gave my bangle the coat. It's very easy. So just take it and paint the nail polish all over the bangles, one by one, of course, just to make sure that you have covered the whole thing without missing a spot. And that way you get to keep the glitter and the bangles are still going to look awesome without having to deal with all the mess. Now I let them dry and check this out. They look fine. The glitter is not coming out at all, and I can just use them everywhere. I can store them in my bangle box without having the glitter spread onto all the other bangles. So I hope that this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video and hit the subscribe button. That will make me really happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.